To make roasted salted almonds, take 2 tablespoons of water and add half a teaspoon of salt into it. Stir it and let the salt dissolve completely. Roasted salted almonds are a healthier snack option. Including them in your diet can help promote blood sugar control, healthy blood pressure levels, and healthier heart function. Now take a cup of badam and pour the salty water over it. Meanwhile, take a heavy base wok, add 2 cups of salt into it and turn on the flame. Heat the salt for 5 minutes and stir it at every minute. Now, mix the almonds well so that the salt water coats them all well. Set them aside for 3 minutes, then stir it once again and then add them to the heated salt. Stir regularly and roast them for 3 minutes on a medium flame. They puff up and get roasted. Then turn off the flame and sieve the almonds. Place them in a plate and let it cool. Once done, transfer them to an airtight container. Your roasted salted almonds are ready to be crunched on. Enjoy!